Hello everyone, welcome to another C++ lecture. This is lecture number 4. In this lecture we will learn how to insert new line and comments in our C++ program. To insert a new line in your output, you can use the \n character. As you can see in this code, we have placed \n character after hello world. This is the procedure, this is the method to add \n in string. You can use another method for \n placement. You can use double less than operator and place the \n character after the text like this. You can see in this example. There is another way to insert a new line is with the endl manipulator. You can see in this code we have placed endl after hello world. This endl will work similar to \n and place the new line onto the screen. Comments can be used to explain C++ code and to make it more readable. It can also be used to prevent execution when testing alternative code. Comments can be single line or multi-line. Here is the example of single line comment. Single line comments start with 2 forward slashes. Any text between forward slash and the end of the line is ignored by the compiler, or you can say that it will not be executed. This example uses a single line comments before a line and after a statement. You can see in this example. Now we have the example of multi-line comments. Multi-line comments start with / static and ends with static and /. You can see in this example, start with / and static and ends with static and /. Any text between these / static and static / will be ignored by the compiler. You can see this example. The text between the comments, the code below will print the words hello world to the screen, and it is amazing. This line would be neglected or ignored by the compiler and it will not be executed during the execution time. So guys, this is it for today. I hope you liked the lecture. Please like and subscribe our channel Learn to Code Now for more exciting videos and informative lectures. Thank you so much.